2008 Leavers Assembly, and we're going to have some good times today.
So, who likes free stuff? Yeah? Did you hear that?
Did I hear what?
Did you hear that?
I didn't hear anything.
I didn't hear anything. So, who likes free stuff? Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, alright. So, what are you guys looking forward to in the assembly? We've got our DVD, of course. That's going to be pretty mint. We've got some performances today. We've got some funny jokes and some funny awards. And so, yeah, let's start getting the ball rolling.
Alright, so I'm thinking we get 2 people from each side to come up.
How about that?
Alright. And those people will win free stuff.
Free stuff.
Sounds good? I can't actually see anyone, so let's see hands, people.
Who wants some free stuff?
Yep.
Let me hear you yell.
Yep.
Let's go.
Alright, we need 2 more.
Alright, I'm thinking let's do it. I need a go. So go.
So what they have to do is each side, so you guys are in teams, alright? Each side you have to get them to scream as loud as they can for 10 seconds.
Under your command.
Yes, the loudest team wins.
Now there is a bit of an advantage to this side because they're way bigger, but that just means it's more of a challenge for you guys to show your stuff. Alright?
Alright. So you guys have to get into cheering, but you cannot remove any piece of clothing. So on 3, 2, 1, go! Alright, that's good, that's good, that's good. Who won that?
Screamers in the front. I need someone from the back to give us a holler. Yeah, we'll take it in turns this time, starting with this side because it's my side. And I want to definitely hear a few voices coming from the back. And men scream loud because it makes it nice and bassy and then it gives it a real good kick. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
I think they both won. They both get prizes.
We're all winners here today. We're all winners.
We'll chuck some prizes out to you now.
Yes! Give us a hand.
Good work, guys. Now, we're now introducing...
Alright, now that we've made a mess and everyone's nice and rowdy, would you like to present your next guest?
We shall. The next guest for tonight's ceremony will be Edward Croffle.
Edward Croffle